Hi, my name is Novely Graber. My husband Howard Graber and we were victims of, started off being a foreclosure fraud, and then we became victims of civil court abuse and also criminal court abuse. Back in 2009, my husband had a stroke and became disabled, and the bank, M&T Bank from Buffalo, New York, had decided that they were going to use that and take our house from us. When we fought the dispossessory in court, in state court of Gwinnett County, Judge Randy Rich, he allowed the plaintiffs to not show up, not present any evidence, and then before the third scheduled bench trial, he decided the facts of the case and awarded M&T Bank our house. To which the sheriff, then we did what's called a counter affidavit, citing OCGA 44-11-32. And the sheriff ignored that and used his SWAT team to come out and evict my husband and I from our home. And then they put criminal charges on us, to which 2.5 years later, we still have yet to go to court on those criminal charges. And they just keep dragging it out. As I mentioned, my husband is disabled. He is legally blind, and the sheriffs have gone on TV to discredit us, to slander us as a means of retaliation, because we had spoken to our Attorney General, Sam Olens, as well as our state senator, David Schaefer, and nothing was done except they then turned around and put felony charges. The DA, Danny Porter of Gwinnett County, put felony charges on my husband and put him in jail for 28 days. And so now we're fighting those felony charges, all because the sheriff retaliated when we would not be quiet about the 44-11-32. And the sheriffs have gone on TV to publicly embarrass us and slander us, and saying that my husband is not disabled because he's not in a wheelchair. And I mean, I don't know where his medical degree comes from, but I don't know if he's qualified to say who is disabled or not. So we're asking that all this boils down to that the judge of state court did not give us a jury trial, and therefore he could not issue a valid writ of possession without the jury trial. And then Sheriff Butch Conway, he needs to uphold the laws. He cannot pick and choose which laws he's going to interpret and pick and choose which ones he's going to enforce or not. So the sheriff needs to be held accountable to his oath of office and uphold all the laws, even if it is a law that makes him do something.